Hey, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a case study of one of our clients in Denver, Colorado. So, before he started working with us, he was getting inconsistent calls and results. So, he was getting some calls from his organic Google business profile. Some old customers were calling him back for re-cleaning. He was getting some referrals, but it was pretty inconsistent. He may be getting about like 10, 15 calls a month. And then we jumped on board, and even during the slow season of like February, March, we 3x his business. And I'm gonna jump into my screen and show you how we went to do everything and how we 3x his business. And let's dive in. So this is their Facebook ads account. And if we look at the results from 1st March to 31st March, I'm gonna just update it right now. So we brought him almost like 70 leads. So this was March, and then in April we brought him 64, and now it's the 7th day is not complete yet. So I'm gonna add in 6 days. So in the first 6 days of May 2024, we brought him 21 leads so far at about $14 each. So as you can see, this is pretty consistent. We are getting him leads month on month. And if you look at the back end, now all the data here is not accurate in terms of like conversion rate, because his conversion rate is much higher, but we haven't been able to track everything in the CRM. But even if you just look at the numbers in the CRM, then our own revenue is 6.68K. So in just a couple days, we have been able to help them get a ton of opportunities, ton of revenue closed. And this is their pipeline. I'm going to show you their opportunities as well. So this is how their opportunities look like. These are new opportunities in communication, bad leads. So as you can see, it's 67 leads in communication. So most of them are booked. They just haven't been able to like update them and move them to booked. These are the ones they have been able to move to booked and then job complete. Overall, this is how it looks like in opportunities. And if you want to see how it looks like in terms of communication, when the lead comes in, they talk to them on phone, they talk to them on via SMS, then they book them in. And once they book the job, then they go to the opportunities section and move them to booked. That's pretty much how the conversations go. Okay. So leads are replying back. They're having conversation on the phone. So this is an example of a phone conversation. So they had a conversation for about 4 minutes and they got them booked in. And then the customer replied back with their address and everything. So yeah, it's pretty easy. We set up the ads, we do everything, we give you access to the CRM. All you gotta do is contact the leads, talk to the leads, and as soon as they're ready to book, just add their appointment, move them to book, and that's all. So after implementing our system, they went from not knowing what the future might look like to consistent business every single day, knowing how many leads are going to come in, and they know how much it's going to cost them to get new leads and get new jobs booked. So our current cost per lead is about $14 each, and with about 50% booking rate, our cost per job booked is about $28. Now, this is not just cost per job booked, but this is also cost per new customer acquisition. Now, their average customer lifetime value is about $1,500. That means in about 3 years, this customer is going to spend about $1,500 with them across multiple jobs. So we are getting about $1,500 of revenue locked in with just $28 in ad spend. So if you're someone who runs any type of cleaning company, carpet cleaning, maid service, tile cleaning, this is something that can really change your business for the better. Click the button somewhere on the screen, schedule a call with me, and let me show you behind the scenes. See you on the other side.